Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Travel Restraints. I'm down here at Daimler Trucks Melpera, and we're working on a Mitsubishi Fuso. It's a 515, it's a city cab, it's a 2024. Now, this truck has no anchor points. In fact, no trucks have anchor points in them. And so to meet the ADR, it does require an engineer's report. And so what we've done is that we've established the 3 points because the customer's got 3 children, so it needs 3 points in the back of it. So I'm going to show you exactly what I've done. Steve has 3 children and needs 3 anchor points. Is it doable? Absolutely. Does it require an engineer's report? Absolutely. And so I'm going to show you the system that we use. We call it a D Buckle Anchorage kit. So as you can see inside the truck, you'll see there's 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. And what we've done is that this is the D buckle here. This is the anchor point at the top here. The reason why we've put the anchor point at the top there, because the back seats don't fold down. When they don't fold down, there's no access to the anchorage points down below because it's a fixed seat. So we decided to reverse the system and put the loading point down the bottom here and the anchor point at the top. Now everything is doable. Fit 3 seats comfortably across the back here. Steve will be happy. He can't wait to get his truck and get his 3 kids in the back here. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'm Sam, and we'll catch you on the next video. Now that I showed you inside the truck, let me show you what I've done on the back of the truck. And it's so much easier when you don't have the tray. So what we've got here, we've put the plates up here. It's a 230 millimeter long plate. It's quite overkill, but I take no chances. By 40 mil. And then on the top there, you've got a 120 by 20 mil plate at the back. Now all these plates, they do have, if you can see, they have a foam backing on the back of it. That foam backing stops water getting anywhere around those holes there, so it's quite well and truly sealed. So that's what you'll see here in the back of the truck. You'll see the 3 points that I've installed. 3 at the top there, 3 at the bottom. I hope that's been helpful, and I'll catch you on the next video.